Artemis, in Greek mythology, is a goddess associated with hunting, the wilderness, youth, and fertility. Known as the twin sister of Apollo, she is the daughter of Selene and Hyperion. Depicted as a young huntress carrying a bow and arrow, Artemis is revered as the protector of the wilderness. She's also acknowledged as a deity representing virginity and childbirth. The Temple of Artemis in Ephesus was considered one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, symbolizing deep reverence and worship towards Artemis. If you are a history enthusiast, do not forget to subscribe to my channel.